So once a dog is trained, they never forget the commands. If you don't do commands with them, they just see it as a weakness or a chance to move up in the pack. But Saint, how old is Saint now, this gangly deer of a creature?
He's going to be 7 months.
7 months old.
July 5th. Sit. Down.
So the
Come to me.
okay, and how could you have stopped that? That's what I was about to say. See, so this is what it would look like if I would have done that. I would have said, the word no would have been at the tip of my tongue. It would have looked like this. Down, no, down, and you would have found he would have stopped on a dime.
Stay.
But what you did is you went down, and then he took about 2 or 3 steps, and then you just met him, and you grabbed him at the shoulders and pushed him back. This time, or not this time, because he's obviously already into down, but think about the word no. So, like I said, watch the videos of me. So when you see the videos with me with somebody on the elite program, I even actually talk about this in the videos, where I have that, no.
No, down.
Perfect. No.
No, down. Down.
Perfect. So that time you had the no ready both times. Now, this is important because literally he just confirmed to me what I was saying to you. As long as that no is ready, that's your power word. That is your backpack. Now, of course, the other thing I told you a few lessons ago is Saint, and you've admitted he's an apron string dog. He's a mama's. He wants to be next to you. He's got to learn, like Pizzazz is in the other room.
Yeah.
Remember how I said a couple lessons ago, I said you got to practice more distance with him, longer stays. That's it. That's probably, and I'll write that one down because, I mean, I'm going to write the word no at the tip of your tongue. I'll write it. But really, like I said, you're at the point where you're at the itty-bitty stuff.
Yeah.
But the itty-bitty stuff is the difference between getting over this hump or not.
Yeah, he breaks it a lot to come closer to
Yeah.
me.
But do you see the difference?
Yeah.
The first time you didn't have the no ready, he made it all the way to you. This time he moved, you said no, he stopped. And then he tried it again, you said no, he stopped. When he's off leash, which he is right now, no is your power word.
Yeah.
No. Good poppers. Good poppers. But even there, you saw me, I used praise to get his attention. But right after the praise, what word did I have at the tip of my tongue?
Yeah.
Because praise could have triggered him to come to me. So I said, no. Use that no. So many people think they're only supposed to use the word no when a dog is making a mistake. And remember what I said? You can use it to prevent the mistake because no is your leash. That's what it is now. Good boys.
Sit.
One. Whoa, 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 whoa.